a really quick video just on block charts because I know we haven't done it yet together, but I think you're going to be absolutely fine with it. So just reminding you that you've got your knowledge organizer that's saved on the home learning folder for this week and for last week. Now we've looked at tally charts. We should be feeling really confident with those. We've done lots of work on pictograms. Now we're going to do a little bit of work on block charts. I'm just going to zoom in here and you'll see that it's actually a really nice and clear way to represent data, and it's nice and colourful often too, which is nice. So you can see that each of these blocks here represent one, and I know that because of the numbers that are going up the side of that block chart. We actually call these axes. Now you won't need to know that till year 3, but that's what we do call them. This is an axis that tells us the number of children that voted for these animals, and then this is the axis that tells us the different animals that were asked. Okay, now really there should be a title with this block chart to tell us what the information says, but because there's not a title, we can kind of make it up what it is. Now I think it's probably asking children what their favorite animal was. Maybe it was how many animals they saw on a walk, although I wouldn't want to go wherever that was, as I don't want to see a snake or a bear. But you get the idea. There should be a title, but there isn't. So I could say that 8 children voted for dog as their favourite animal. I can see that 2 children voted for snake as their favourite animal, and so on. And you could tell me, you can probably tell me now that other information that you could see. If you were asked a question like, how many more children chose horse as their favourite animal than bear? Okay, remember from that last video when we were talking about how many more, actually that means you're finding the difference. So here's the horse, and I can see 6 children voted for horse. Here's bear, I can see 4 children. So that difference there is 2 children. So 2 more children voted for horse than bear. So that's a block chart, and you can see each block represents one, but that might not always be the case. So this block chart here is talking about favourite lunches of children in Woodmansterne. Now you can see that each block doesn't represent one here, it's actually representing 10 now. So pie, 1 child didn't vote for pie as their favourite lunch, 10 children did. Okay, the same with fish. Okay, 50 children chose that as their favourite lunch choice. And I'm sure you could tell me some more information from there. Okay, again, if there was a question like, how many more children chose fish than pizza, that how many more, you should be thinking, I've got to find the difference, because here's my bar. It's almost arranged in a little bar model for us. Here's my bar that represents fish, and it's 50. Here's my bar that represents 40, and I can see that difference there. I can see that difference is 10. So 10 more children chose fish than pizza. So that's just a really quick video that I just wanted to quickly go through with you. So in your work today, you're going to have some different block charts, and you're going to have some questions to answer from them, okay, which you should find okay. Remember to tweet or send the office any of the work that you do that you're really proud of, okay? Brilliant. Thanks for listening, year 2.